Good morning again, parents. I also got a few questions concerning their math homework for the week. So if you haven't already watched my video about how to log into the ebook, make sure you do that. But if you've watched that and you're logged into the ebook, page 61 is going to be real helpful for you to help the kids with their homework this week. On the math problems that I've assigned, they need to do some addition problems, and with those addition problems, once they've added them up and found some unknown values, they need to describe in problems 1 through 8 which property or rule is used. Okay, so on page 61 it covers all of the addition properties. You have the commutative property of addition. That just says that the order in which you add numbers does not change the sum. There's some example problems. Then you have the associative property, which states the way in which numbers are grouped when added doesn't change the sum. So if 5 plus 2 are grouped together first and then added 3, that's 7, 3, 10. And this one, if you were to group 2 and 3 together, you would add those first and get 5. And then when you add 5, you get 10. So grouping when adding doesn't change the sum. The last one is the identity property of addition, and this just states that the sum of any number and 0 is that number. Okay. Now on page 62, you have the subtraction properties. And these are just basic rules of subtraction. When you subtract 0 from any number, the result is the number. So 22 minus 0 is equal to 22. 14 minus 0 is 14. And when you subtract any number from itself, the result is 0. So those should help you out. Again, if you're wondering how I got to this page and how you can view it at home, make sure to watch my video on how to log into the ebook. All right. Again, let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to help you all. Thanks. Have a good day.